Wait, before you take out a payday loan, I want you to consider these websites we're going to cover today because they're a great alternative to a regular payday loan. They offer no interest, zero fees, and no credit check. Let's check it out. What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to Currency Counts. In today's video, we're going to cover payday loan alternative websites. Now these websites lend from $25 all the way up to $250. There's even one that I'm going to cover that lends up to 10 grand. But let's be real, there's a catch to that, and I will get into it. So let's start with the first one. The first one is Empower. You can find them at empower.me. So the way this product is gonna work is you're gonna open up a bank account through Empower, you're gonna set up direct deposit, and you'll be able to access an advance of up to $250. And when you take out an advance through Empower, there's no impact on your credit score because they're not checking your credit score, and you pay it back with your next direct deposit paycheck. Banking service provided by MBKC Bank. Other features of Empower is you get up to 10% cash back on purchases using your Empower card. You have a choice of two card colors, black or peach. There's no interest or fees for taking out an advance, so right there, it's already better than a regular payday loan. One of the downsides to Empower is that there's an $8 monthly subscription fee. There is a 14-day free trial, but after that, it's $8. So let's move on to the next one. The next one is Moneyline. You can find them at moneyline.com. Moneyline has a lot more products than Empower. They have the Raw Money account, Instacash Advance, Moneyline Crypto, Auto Invest account, Credit Builder Plus, and debit card rewards. We're here to check out Instacash Advance. So similar to the Empower card, you will need to set up mobile banking with Moneyline, which is called the Raw Money account. So once you set up mobile banking and set up direct deposit, you will be able to access up to $250 in advances. There'll be no interest, no monthly fees, and no credit check. One thing I guess you can call a cool feature of Moneyline is right off the bat, you'll be able to access $25 in advances without setting up direct deposit. But once you do set up direct deposit, you'll be able to access up to $250. And when you set up a Credit Builder Plus account through Moneyline, you'll be able to access up to $300. But it can take a while to be eligible for the maximum loan amount of $300, anywhere from 3 to 8 weeks. Another plus of Moneyline is that the monthly subscription fee is only $1 versus the Empower $8 monthly fee. Banking service provided by MetaBank.
Don't save what is left after spending. Spend what is left after saving. This has been Currency Counts quote of the day.
The third one is Dave. You can find them at dave.com. Similar to Moneyline and Empower, you'll have to set up a bank account through Dave and you'll be able to access up to $250 in advances. Dave's monthly fee is only $1. Another perk of joining Dave is a side hustle feature, which allows you to find gig work in your local area. I really couldn't find too much information on it, what type of gig work it is. Even went on a web search, but I couldn't find any information. I guess you have to be a member. If you've used this feature, let me know in the comments. This website isn't very transparent. When you go to the landing page, it says banking for humans. Build credit history and get up to $250 in advances without paying a fee. And then you scroll down here and there's really not too much information besides that. What I'm getting at is they don't have a lot of selling features on their website. And even at the top, it says investors right here, as if any regular consumer cares about the investors. So that kind of tells you where their priorities are. I guess every bank has investors, right? And has to make money, but they kind of keep that on the low. These guys put it right up front and center. The next one is Bridget. Get it? Bridget. Bridging your money from one point to the next. Funny, right? All right, cool play on words. And you can find them at hellobridget.com. These websites are kind of getting redundant. This is the same concept as the others I just mentioned. Zero interest, no credit check, no fees, set up direct deposit with the service. The only difference between those and Hello Bridget is that those other ones aren't backed by Will Smith and Kevin Durant. How about that? These are crazy stock photos. But if Will Smith is in, I'm in too. Banking services provided by Coastal Community Bank, the same bank Bluevine uses, which is a business banking account. I personally have that one myself. All right, so now we're gonna get into a different kind of website. These next ones I'm gonna mention are all different and have different terms, and I will have everything linked. I'm here at the first one, earnin.com, and I do have a separate standalone video on Earnin. I will have the video linked up here somewhere. So they have 3 different products: Cash Out, Balance Shield, and Earnin Express. So the way Earnin works is you download the app, you don't don't need to open up a new bank account, but you will have to have an existing bank account with direct deposit set up. You'll be able to cash out up to $100 per day and up to $500 in a pay period. Another cool feature of earning is Balance Shield, and you can set it up to where if your checking account falls below a certain amount, you can have earning automatically deposit money into that account. The next one is Chime, link in description. Get $100 when you set up a new account using my link. Shameless plug, but hey, I gotta do it. So with Chime, you're not actually borrowing money, they're not lending you money, but they have a feature called Spot Me. So once you set up your checking account, you'll be able to access this feature. With Spot Me, you're covered up to $200 with no fees, so you'll have no NSF fees. For example, if you only have $10 in your account and you need to pay a bill, you can rest assured that it's gonna get covered and you won't have any NSF fees on that Spot Me balance. They also offer a high yield savings account and a credit builder with no monthly fees. So this is actually my bank of choice. The last one, and this is the card I mentioned that you can access up to $10,000 in credit, is a Tomo card, and you can find them at tomocredit.com. With this product, same with all the others I just mentioned, there's no interest or fees, there's no credit check. You can access anywhere from $100 to $10,000. And the way this product works is you're gonna have to link an existing bank account when you apply, and the amount you have in your bank account is gonna determine how much you get qualified to borrow. If you wanna get qualified for more, you can actually link multiple bank accounts. If you want more detail on the Tomo card, I actually have a standalone video on this product linked right here somewhere. If it's not here, it's in my channel page. One of the downsides to this card is that you will have to pay the balance in full every week. For example, if you get loaned $1,000, you're gonna have to pay that back at the end of the week via auto deduction. But this is comparable to a payday loan because you're gonna have to pay that loan back in a week to 2 weeks time anyway. With this card, when you're using the actual card, you get 1% cash back. I will have all the websites linked in the description, so be sure and check those out. I want to thank you for watching. Check you on the next one.